means we're going to see a lot of household goods today, and maybe some family heirlooms.
I just want to pay attention to what's going on. Let's just go there and spot some good lockers and try to get out of there with a good locker.
Yeah, good idea, Captain Obvious.
We've been doing really good lately, Jam. You haven't been spending more than, whatever we've capped it at.
But we're going to loosen that up just a little bit today.
No.
Knocking all the water out.
That I just said, Jared?
Today, I got a little something cooked up. Bringing a friend of mine who's posing as an agent looking for precious
That Robin?
artifacts. He's German. This guy's thoroughly going to confuse everybody there.
Here right now, spreading the story.
What kind of law do you do?
International.
Yeah.
Josh, you gotta see this
By the time
thing.
I roll up, everybody should be buzzing about those mysterious lawyers.
No, the way it's not. It's the way its feathers separate when it's drying itself off.
Mercedes. There was one just a little bit ago.
It doesn't even realize that one's behind it.
He's all dressed to the nines.
Like, no, this is my bird
Looks like
band.
a big dog.
Got the hunger finish on it. We're gonna go to the unit. We're gonna
Oh, look at those two fighting.
take a look around. Inside, you can't open any boxes, but whoever has are you ready?
Those two over there fighting.
Ever taken a locker home?
This is just way more interesting.
Yeah, his name's Jared.
You little bully.
Let them get up or I'm gonna go out there and run you off.
Finally!
What?
Somebody else gets a turn.